It's a new Disgraceful AG washing machine, everybody. Let's go ahead and laugh at some of the cycles and options. Normal cycle, 59 minutes. Turn off the beeping. Quick, 33. Should I level heavy? 37. Not bad. Delicate, 40. Heavy duty. Oh god. Alright. Let's add a pre-soak. Let's add extra rinse. 1 hour 32. Okay, so this is the longest normal cycle, I think. Maybe besides color last 47. Heavy, deep water, extra rinse, 1 hour 7. How to wash darks, 1 hour 5. Normal. Extra rinse. Deep water was already on, didn't affect the time. Quick. Relatively short, 38 minutes, 40 minutes. Relatively short, deep water, pre-wash. I didn't mean to hit rinse and spin, I meant to hit extra rinse, so we'll go ahead and go back to darks quick and turn on the extra rinse. I don't think we did normal quick with deep water and extra rinse, so we'll go ahead and add those in. 51 minutes. Alright, whites. This is gonna be stupid. Oh god. Okay. Dark's delicate. One hour. Seen worse on a high efficiency machine, just saying. Heavy duty. Oh god. Here we go. Done the extra rinse. 1 hour 23. Extra rinse off. And color last, I'm not even going to bother. Now this is where times are going to get ridiculous on the white cycle over there. Normal, 59, deep water. And I keep forgetting to add pre-soak. Okay. I want to see quick. 37 is going to be the same as darks. Delicate, going to be the same as darks. Heavy duty. This is the one I'm scared to do. That's about as long as an LG takes typically. So that's not that bad, all things considered. From now on, we're going to have the beeps on. Towels. 52 minutes normal. Pre-soak, extra rinse. Off, off, off. Quick, it's going to be 33. One hour 5 on quick with all the options. I gotta do it. 1 hour 6 heavy duty. We're on what to wash towels, how to wash heavy duty. And color last. How much time an extra rinse adds? And bulky. Alright. High shouldn't affect the spin. Okay, that's officially the longest cycle. Wait. We know it can get longer. Right? Are we gonna cross the 2 hour mark? Nope. Aw. Alright. Delicate's still an hour 4. How about quick? 56. Well, how to wash it, bulky. I mean, what to wash, bulky. I've seen worse for an HE machine, actually, for cycle times. Color last. I've seen worse for things like that. Now I have to go reset all my options. Because it apparently doesn't reset all my options every time. So, well, that's... Alright, we just want how to wash normal, how to wash normal, how to wash normal, how to wash heavy duty, how to wash normal. I had to change all my options back for normal. I guess I could probably do this off camera, but I'm not going to. Turn off that, and that. Quick. Alright. Everything's back to normal. Except towels defaults to heavy duty. Alright. There's some laughing at cycle times for you guys. I just hadn't posted in a while. Felt the need to post something, so there you go. Whirlpool Disgraceful AT washing machine model number WTW7500GC. GC, not DW, GC. Alright, that's it. This has been Smo for 50, and I'm out. I'll see you next time. Wait for this. It sings.